Flex me there not come already. And the whole internet blame me. So take phone there. Sit back and relax.
What's all like funny? Me see when your video come out, the whole of them a make fun of you, say you're there with man a pampas and call a pampas this and when for them video come out and you laugh, everybody have something to say about you.
Me there come already. I'ma angle that blood. I'ma sit down and hold it like a G. Me never cry. Me never shed no tears. Me hold it. I'ma take my beating. The island don't sit down and take phone no one. What the blood clot to have problem with my fa. Sit down and take phone no beating and go suck. Everybody have their merry days. Phone my day come on and laugh and sit down and dip on it. Yeah, and my time now. Come no man, we are reason.
Judge star.
Me did all up my blood clot stress. All up phone stress. Me all up my stress, all up phone one. But the blood clot. Nobody never all up my stress to me. All up on the blood clot stress, man.
So, how you on TikTok like you catch up? How go on?
The woman, you see the same girl where them a talk about me for answer one ugly girl Flex are the ugliest girl on TikTok. I send you one video with that girl lady. When she tough are the ugliest girl on the block.
Right.
As she TikTok like by out her argument, I got enough up her blood clad self. The woman call me name over the ear, no? Rosalie have her kids, but she always come about people pitney, you know. A angler blood clot, you see. I deal with her at the second time this my blood clot angler. The first with me already, I never answer and she come again. I saw my blood clot deal with
in blind variation.
Of course she blind, she 80% vision impairment, yes? She 20% or so no. To have a phone, a special phone, we talk to her in a blood clot and tell her who join the live, who follow the live creator, but she have one earbuds in her ears. In her ears. Dirty TikTok liar, I know everything no blood clot. I wonder how I know so much.
Yeah, then should go over TikTok liar, go make TikTok liar thing, man. You see me? I don't like that. You know me tell the truth, Shay. It's a youth where me rate. I should have make TikTok liar go in and go buy all the thing. You see me? You should have never do that. How hard and is that you do, Jayden? You know, no
TikTok liar for go comb her ear. Wanna tell her to turn on her camera and comb her blood clot ear. Flex! That the woman they not go out the door, she not comb ear. She not do nothing at all. And be a pajama and blood clot rub she have on.
Pajama robe. So,
pajama and robe. Right through. She not do nothing. She not comb ear. She not do nothing. Not even right the woman not pay. The woman not pay rent from last year August no blood clot. And she alone live free in America right now when everybody pay them blood clot rent. Look how much girl over here for pay them rent unless them get too out. And she live free in a blood clot America. She not pay no rent from last year blood clot August. Everybody have to pay them rent unless them get put out. And she live blood clot free.
Oh God. My God.
The man want get her out time blood clot place. She not pay no rent. And the pan TikTok I shoot lion, tigers and blood clot bears.
So my God. My God. Boy, Jayden, me beg for you about the work, boy. You have to come apologize on this TikTok liar in our video. And Mary.
You, Maureen, you come here about Jayden is a good person. But me tell you why you say Jayden is a good person. As long as Jayden never video your draws and said about the blood clot place.
So Shay, come on. Shay, come on. Wait, something at the Jayden video upon and say no.
Jayden video Fabbi'S panty and said it go get TikTok liar. TikTok liar send it to somebody. Oh, Jayden for be a good person when him bring down blood clot woman. Jayden can't be a good person. Person. Listen me and say, if Jayden, 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 if Jayden
if He send TikTok liar. TikTok liar, that woman should tell him say, yo, that wrong. You understand?
Flex, first of all, there's no way you're gonna be a man. And you sleep beside a woman, Flex. Would you video Simone Panty?
No, you man.
Why would you take up Simone Panty and video it? Even if Simone mess up, I probably remember say we a woman in a Flex period come and so, you know. Why would you do that? You're a waste man. It's like you sleep with your enemy.
I know, sir. Me never know, say.
Why would you do that? It's like you have an intention. That is your aim. Your aim is to bring down the woman where you sleep with Flex.
Shay, I mean, like man where you're a woman did it and then you're a woman left and you go tell them about underneath them and disrespect them certain way, about them big and them small and this and you see me?
Exactly. No. Exactly.
You see when you're the person there, you know, come say, yo, that person, but as you're them left, you have the worst thing to say about them. I don't like them thing there, you see
but
me?
Listen up, Flex. Let me tell you something. You see in life? You see like, oh, you come on the live and Flex and you big up Simone and you talk about Simone crutches and so.
Yeah.
If he come to the test and you and Simone left Flex, you can't come back on the media come tell me, say Simone, me I gonna look on you like an idiot because you did live in a blood clot and you used to talk about it and rejoice over it.
What one? No, dog. Yo, me dey a foot, man. What one? Me killer. No, dog. Me dey a foot, man.
You're so far rich.
Yes, yo, we are friend, man. Me there, man. So, you know, move. Watch out, man. We there, man. Eh? Yo, we are gonna link up, dog. Yo, we are family. Shay, what one?
A Jayden bar fly them in the comments me a look pan.
No. Sam, what you deal with?
Dirty blood clot people. And nasty people them. Nasty people. And some
come from over mountain. What over mountain? But them say, but me not see mountain alive. Mountain live, Shay?
no are the things them me send him for post, but me tell him don't post the video yet. Where I post the text them and so and tease them. Cause me have to deal with him me have to take him down neatly. Cute.
My God. Dance park. And I park me there in a dog. Me there a foot, man. Me there a foot, my lad. You can give me a link, man. You see me?
Black out the doctor face, man know. Mountain asked Jayden if him should. Mountain never asked Jayden that. Where you get that from?
Share them. Nobody make them silence here. Share.
Them can't silence
Yes.
me. Me a old fridge.
No. Nobody make them silence here. You see me? Dance park, big up yourself. Me there on ground, dog. You know me not talk my location.
None of them can't silence me. Me a fridge. Oh. Me a all blood clad fridge. So none of them can silence me. Can't silence me.
Leak everything in shape. My God. Jayden, me beg for you about it now, boy. Jayden, funny how silly now. You see next thing, if you say I eat boss, me power with the butt. The man thing, me not like that. That the out type. And you should have come this shape with me. Me not like that the part there. You see me?
Me don't know why them people I feel like I'm afraid of them. Me not afraid of none of you, you know. So no matter how no type out to no throat back, me not afraid of you, you know. I don't know why I feel like I'm scared. Why I feel like I'm scared of you, know. I don't know why I think I'm scared of you, no. I don't afraid of one of you, know. Oh. So I don't know why I think I'm scared of you, know. Because any amount of family you know, I have that too. Oh, I just want to know that. I don't know why I want me for afraid of you, know.
I say them say nothing over mountain, me.
My mountain even fix him something because every time the people them go over there, them can't see.
Yeah, man. We need to fix it, man. And I want to tell you now, it's when mountain position, you know later them are crucify mountain, you know that?
And him no business neither.
Yeah, later they will crucify mountain. Though they can't crucify. Where next one name?
Oh, Radama and Carrie Blue.
Remember me and Radam, so I'm telling people about remember me and Radam. They must say mountain take beer.
The page name comes up me, inbox me.
Shay, send me video now, no me go look on what you say, send me now.
Oh, with the cell phone girl.
Yeah, send me video now.
Well, I'm look for your number from it, so.
Me go and look on it.
Gonna sell in a blood clot. Yeah, the only girl me see in America get blood clot adult entertainment permit. Oh, no girl will go America. You never have a blood clot, green card or a social. You have a
The people themselves go over mountain and press news. Why mountain? Who in there? And never in a comment section. Mount, you are never in there. Boy, it's sad though, Shay. But this is what I tell you. Anybody come for you, you have to deal with, you have to rough them up back. No boy, no girl don't bully me on the internet and me take that no Shay. No boy and no girl. That them no more than me. Them no more than me. So Shay.
eh?
So you say when the result can you have to give people them the headline, you know. This week have a TikTok liar though.
Of course.
And next week have a brush it.
I'm brushing about in a April for baby OJ.
OJ, my God. Because March soon done in a March, I want problem month, you know.
Yeah.
I have to make March breeze little and get April to my jam, you know. April have to get to my jam, man. So all the ears people, I'm sorry for you. So, yesterday, you know, me I look for because me say the result they come out yesterday, but never come out.
Not a result, not there for read. I like them at tell.
Me say me sit down the whole day and I wait for the result. Me say me sit down till my foot tired and I turn up. No result.
Not cause not there for read out. So all who have faith in them Them get flap.
Shut up.
So I don't have faith that them get fuck.
But TikTok liar can't cuss like a Shay. She can make up one bag of funny nights. Cause she can't she don't know if we tell you at word like what you gotta tell her.
What she have for cuss me and tell me say there's nothing there. Because every girl who come on the internet, all them cuss about a pitney.
Shay, what you must say about your pity? What you know most mother and father them go foreign and left them youth behind to get a better life. So 95% of the people them where attack them not live with them pitney. We get a chance to go foreign. You understand? So when them a come say that shit, tell them go suck them mama. You
I
understand?
look for them, you know. I don't look for them a blood clot.
Back in the days, not we our granny we grow with. What we mother do? We mother left with the grandparents and gone when we born in the country and gone a town so they gonna look work. We mother never work this. Them go try and make life for it. You understand? Not for we not grow with the parents. We get love more and enough by people that grow with them parents, brother. Not for them.
Listen to me now, bro. Listen what
Yeah.
I say to you. All that we get left for Jamaica and to mother make it a foreign. But guess what? I'm proud of which part me there now.
Yeah.
Because guess what now? My son will come a foreign soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Soon. I'm glad I can file for my whole family. I can file for my whole generation right now.
Yeah.
That's what me I say. So I'm proud of myself. These people don't know me.
When
Them
them
kids, them know me, them know my life, them know my life story. Remember, them don't know nothing about me, you know. Remember, every girl come by here, be a makeup story, you know. No girl not talk, no facts, you know.
No wrong with that, because when them say, boy, you should have enough people go a foreign go make life for them and them pitney and then them take them pitney and foreign.
Flex, how much people they are foreign right now still can't send for them pitney right now at this given moment.
I'm not joking.
Okay then.
So
And me can do it.
So when them say that, brother, nobody pay that no mind, Shay. You
Me
know.
not look pan them a blood clot because guess what? As long as my pin them tell me every day say them love me and me are the best mother, me feel good about that no blood clot. None of them pussy up on TikTok can me feel no way about my pin them. Go suck them mama.
Yes,
Oh.
are you feel proud of yourself and say, yo, me really do it for me, you them, you know. For me, you them, you understand?
Flex to them, my son are 14.
Yeah.
Him turn 14 today and birthday. Me make sure send him money from Saturday.
Yeah.
Him shop till him blood clot drop.
I'm going to tell you this. Most of the people them have them pitney will grow with them pitney and respect and no manners to them. You when your youth don't grow with you, your youth that got respect sometimes you have respect for you more and pitney them will grow with them mother and father with their own them. Now tell you that.
My son, every time him call me and him talk, him always ask about Queenie. Can't remember, you know. Queenie was him teacher, you know, of course. My member. I always ask about Queenie all the time. Mommy, where's Auntie Queenie? See Queenie here. The fuck? Go sit down, man. And move from here, so. Thank you, goodie. Stick no blood clot. But make sure me send him money from them shop till him drop.
Shay, me not like when people bring them youth, your youth in a things, brother. Cuss me and tell me.
Because Flex, them don't have nothing for cuss me and tell me, say, bro. You know, say these people on the media don't have nothing to tell me. Them only can tell me about my kids, them, but them can't tell me nothing else.
That's why I lose half of Jayden, because I never know, say, as somebody like that who I go tell people them pitney. I lose half of him with that. Because I know it's a youth who run him joke and them thing there. Yeah, because him not take nothing serious. You know that, Shay?
That's true.
Yeah, so the pitney thing surprised me. He should have really make TikTok like a giant out and him go there, so brother, go so low. That's why I not like a wheel, you know. As somebody on the wheel catch up, the first thing she go tell them about them pitney. I not like her brother for that.
I saw the whole of them stay upon the media. All of them, when them a come for you, them come about pitney. Them a go like say the pitney and them can cuss. If you argue with me, the pitney and you can't cuss.
All of them, Mrs. Yes, man. Me no like that thing, them, man. Look the pitney them, man. The poor innocent pitney them.
And the pitney them a cuss. Argue with me. The pitney them a una can't have no argument. Argue with the mother.
Yeah, man, I agree. But, Shay, hear what them somebody has said. Cause if somebody come from my pit, me, I will tell you about your opinion. So, them will say, see, you same thing. And them will come here and tell you about your opinion. So, wait, your mouth dumb?
Flex. The mama come on TikTok, I make sure to tell the people them. If you go low, I go lower. Me never promise no say, oh, them tell me about my pit, me go lock my mouth and bite my lip. Me not gonna say nothing. I lie them a